Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, the recipe is not healthy, it's not easy, and it's not quick. But it was a request, and it's something we do in anticipation to a Eid. It's the Maamoul. So, please forgive me for this. Some of you will love me though. I'm gonna start with flour. I've got semolina, raw sugar, and I've got ghee. Here I have animal ghee, but you can have vegetable ghee if you're vegetarian. Yeah, I know you're saying, wow, that's a lot of ghee. I know, it is not healthy. And I've got instant yeast. What we're gonna do is just mix it until the ghee is incorporated. Now I'm gonna add some water. I'm adding water little by little. So I put almost half a cup. There's something about this. Now, you can control the final product of this dough. If you like your biscuits normally really crumbly, you add more ghee. If you like them firm, really firm, add less ghee. These will give us a biscuit that is just in between. For me, it's perfect, but remember this note. To know it's ready and it doesn't need any more water, just make a ball. And if you see no cracks, that means it doesn't need any more water. It's just perfect. For the filling, I've got pistachio here, walnut, and I have dates. I'll show you the dates later. The pistachio is a mix, of course, and fine. To this, I'm gonna add what equals 1/4 cup of sugar. Again, you can put whatever you want. Ghee. Magic ingredient, we always use it, orange blossom. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use date paste. You buy it like this. It's just easier to work with. And what you do, just take a ball, and if you remember the size of a marble, that's what we want, yeah, size of a marble. I'm gonna take, again, like a walnut-sized ball. Now, if after it's rested, you feel it's got cracks, you can add, just wet your hands with water and keep working it. See, this is good. If you've seen the kibbeh recipe, we're just going to do the same thing. I'm going to make it thin. And then I'm going to put the filling. You can put as much or as little as the filling you want. It's personal. I put it in the mold. Each mold has a different shape because that way we know which one has which filling. What they do, they just put a little bit of pistachio at the bottom. I don't know why, but again, it's one of those things. Press it. And again. This is going to go to a 180°C preheated oven for about 14 minutes. It just needs to start having a nice golden brown on the surface. It's done. Some like to put some powdered sugar on top. I don't think it needs any extra sweetness. Enjoy.